so we have a koan. Why do you, venerable person, monk, put on your 7-piece queso or your rakusu at the sound of the temple bell? Why do you do that? Why do you put your robe on when the temple bell? Now, you haven't spent time in a temple, so you might not know the answer to this. But why do you answer the telephone when the telephone's ringing? Why do you do that? Same question, why? Why do you answer the phone when it rings? When somebody knocks on your door, why do you answer the door?
Because that's how things work.
Well, you have to be better than that. That's a conceptual answer. Can you show me?
Why I do that?
Yeah. Show me why you answer the phone when somebody rings.
Because I respond to the situation.
See, it's all concepts. Why do you answer the phone when the phone rings? It's obvious. But you'll never answer it. You'll never answer the question why. You'll never, ever, ever, ever be able to answer the question why you do it.
Mm-hmm.
But it's so obvious. What do?
I just pick up the phone.
Show me, you're telling me.
Oh, okay. Now this is my phone. Just pick up the phone.
Hello, who's there? What's the difference? You're telling me, and I'm showing you.
Mm.
You see the difference? Hello? Hello? Isn't that Lena? Who's this? I can't hear you, sorry. Oh, Roshi. You just pick up the phone and you answer it. But that's it. That's not the way you answer a koan. You do it. You show it. You demonstrate it. You manifest it.
Mm-hmm.
So we can't understand why we do things. We just do them in response to what is. In the moment, something manifests and we respond. That's Mahayana. Appropriately, in the situation, in the moment, we respond.
Mm-hmm.
This is exactly Mahayana.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We don't ask why, and we don't give reasons. We don't have to know. The phone rings. Hello. Doorbell. Open the door.
Mm-hmm.
Or don't.